All right, it's 2025 and it's time for a change. These are the times that you always create resolutions, right? And this year is actually really big for us because this is something, I always have goals in mind, whether it's building a bathroom, whether it's creating another video, whether it's doing another social media post or whatever. Everything is goal oriented. And for over 4 years now, we've been both working very hard to get to 2025 because this year we're making a huge change. So I'm really excited. We're gonna move to one of the places that I've always loved, and that is Stowe, Vermont. So as you can see, we have our Stowe, Vermont shirts on. And so this is just a big dream of mine to be able to go to a place that you just want to live and be able to experience all the outdoor activities.
Yeah, we're very outdoorsy.
Yeah, and you guys are all part of the reason that we can do this for sure. Specifically my YouTube channel. It's really just made the flexibility of us being able to pick up and move and just create videos anywhere. It really makes a huge difference. So I first want to thank all of you for following. I mean, if it wasn't for you guys, this next move, this next adventure,
it wouldn't be possible.
It wouldn't be possible. So
thank you.
I really do thank you. And what's really exciting is that we're going to be changing out this shower. We're going to put the permanent one in this basically studio, home, office, basically extra living. I was even claiming this could be an Airbnb if somebody bought this place. But we're going to put the permanent bathroom in here. We're going to do a steam shower.
Yes.
We're going to do a soaking
it's gonna be
tub.
much larger. These walls are all going to come down.
Obviously we're not going to have an open concept like this.
No.
But this whole studio process was something that was a lot of fun. Pretty scary to start, to tell you the truth. I mean, investing money into everything works, but it's a mock-up bathroom was very intimidating. And I wasn't sure if we'd ever get our money back out of what we were putting in here. But I know that the videos have definitely come out better. I have ability to edit things right immediately. So there was a lot of reasons I wanted to do this. But it's time to move on.
He's bored.
I am bored. This is like the fifth bath.
You can't do it anymore.
Is this the fifth bathroom here? We did the pink bathroom first. Then we did the Kohler tub and shower, which was kind of more of a simplified tub surround.
Yeah.
Then we did towel ready, and then this one. So, okay, so this is 4. So the fifth bathroom will be the permanent one for the most part. So really excited to get something back in that's going to be permanent. I'm not going to be tearing anything out. But really what's going to be great is to finish off the rest of our home, get it ready for sale. And then the real adventure is buying a new home up there and then renovating that.
Yes, we're looking for homes up there that need to be worked on.
Absolutely.
We want to work on something so we can share that process with you guys, not just bathrooms, but potentially expanding. So
we have a lot of videos that we're already creating. We're just not going to release them until we get everything situated. But it's kind of like we've been filming. Yeah, we've been filming the process of what we're looking for, what we're going to do. So that'll all be coming up this year. But for the next couple of months, it's definitely going to be putting in a new bathroom here with a steam shower. I'm really excited about that. I've been wanting to share one of those for a long time.
And a soaking tub.
And a soaking tub, yeah. So
really nice.
Stay tuned. Again, thanks so much for following us. Happy New Year. And please set your own resolutions this year. If it's a bathroom remodel, I'd be more than happy to help you out. I obviously have courses, I do coaching, and then you have all my social media platforms to follow. So thanks so much. And I'm wishing you a great new year.